Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Floki update today. Something that has been requested for a while, and I was like, okay, let's do Floki. It's actually on the trending on Binance once again, and I just want to say that you have an ascending triangle here. The last time that I made the update, I talked about the ascending triangle. So you had your break above, you came down for the retest, hold the retest, perfectly retested, and now you've actually come up here, and you still have a technical target for 31743, and that's going to still be a climb to go on, and that's going to be another 18% push to the upside as well. So meme coins are doing pretty great. We have meme coins really making some good patterns like inverse head and shoulders, ascending triangles, and whatnot. So it's a pretty good time in crypto. Enjoy. I think it's not the end of it. We're still having a blast in crypto. Now the thing is that when you come up here, it does look like the intention is to really break above the previous all-time high and then continue to go on to make another new all-time high, hopefully in the future. So that's all for this video on Floki, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.